Hey everybody, Matt here. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to continue looking at SketchUp Free. At the end of the last video, we had these two 2x4s joined like so. Now what I want to do is title this drawing. So I click on Untitled, and there's a box down here with the word Untitled highlighted. So I'm going to type in the name for my model, and I'm going to type in two 2x4s and press enter. It says saving. Now it says saved, and it put the name up here for my model. Now where did it save? It actually saves in your Trimble Connect account, and it defaults to projects/SketchUp folder. And there's my model right there. So if I create a new model, and let's just choose any of these templates. I'll choose the simple template, feet and inches. And there's our model, which we, our person, our figure, that we deleted when we created our other model. Right? So we are definitely in a different workspace. If I click on Trimble Connect, there's the model I saved. If I click on it and then click on Open, there it is. Okay, so that's a little bit about how you can save and retrieve your models. There's also an opportunity, of course, to name them, which I showed you. And you can also add folders to this SketchUp folder, so you can create a little bit more organization if you wind up creating many models. Okay, so now let's go, and I want to separate these two pieces, and I want to explore a couple of the buttons over here, particularly this one called Materials. So let me select this 2x4, and again it's a group, so the whole 2x4 is selected. I'm going to choose Move, the endpoint, slide it over, deselect it. Now I'm going to choose Materials, and it opens up with sort of these different colors. I'm going to select my 2x4 and choose a color. I'm drag and then move the mouse over to the part, left mouse click, and now it is a different color. Let me choose this brown, and let's try and make, all I did was left mouse click and it filled that 2x4 with that color. That's a little dark. Let me make it a little bit lighter in color. This little arrow will close the panel. Now if we move the two pieces back together, it makes it a little bit easier to see the joinery. So what you're looking at here are a few other models that use the same set of tools we've been exploring. So feel free to try and replicate these, or even replicate them and then change them, make them your own. It's a great way to practice the tools we've already looked at. So my hope for you is that once you get comfortable with the tools in SketchUp Free, that it becomes easier for you to draw in 3D in SketchUp Free than it would be to try and draw with a pencil and a piece of paper. And of course, the computerized 3D model is a lot more convenient because you can rotate it, you can zoom in and out, and it's a lot easier to change it versus trying to change a pencil drawing. Of course, there's tons of other things that you can do with this program. These initial videos were just to try and get you started and acquainted with the interface and how you move around and so on, and create some really simple objects. Next, we're going to look at what I actually do to make some printouts.